sa mga bagong pahayag ni alias Totoy, makakausap po natin ang abogado ni Ginong Atong Ang na si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Magandang hapon po, Attorney.
Magandang hapon sa inyo sa Frontline.
Attorney, unahin ko na itong bagong sinabi nitong si alias Totoy na siya daw itong inofera ng 500 million pesos at pinapipirma nitong recantation o para bawiin niya yung kanyang mga sinabi. Ano po ang reaksyon niyo diyan?
Alam nyo, nagiging he said, she said to, no? Pakita siya ng ebidensya because this morning, ang final po namin, meron po kaming affidavits of our witnesses at meron rin kaming kinote kasi hindi niya alam na yung kanyang extortion nakatape. So we have a tape conversation between his cohort, si tinatawag na Brown, na nakalagay doon na kailangan na raw ni Don Don ang 300 million para makaalis na siya sa Pilipinas and he will go to another country kasi may visa na raw sila ng pamilya niya, kapapanganak ng asawa daw niya, and the kid already is old enough to have a passport. Pupunta na raw sila sa Europe, specifically Portugal ang na-mention, including the US. So hindi po totoo na si Atong Ang nag-offer. In fact, even as late as last night, at 11 o'clock last night, nagpadala pa ng mensahe. Nagpadala pa ng na hinihintay nila yung 300 million. And this is not only to Atong Ang. No? He also tried to extort, we don't know the amounts, no, from the members, the investors group, yung tinatawag na Prime Master. Mga investors group ito, they have nothing to do with operations. Ang nakakaalam po ng operations, ito si Dodong mismo because ang job description niya, basahin ko, he is a farm manager siya. Yung mga nawawala, first, bakit niya alam na more than 100 na nawawala? Kasi yung mga tao na yan were under his farm operations at siya po ay in charge ng Lipa, Batangas, Santa Cruz, Laguna, and Santa Ana, Manila. Ang trabaho po niya is he was entrusted with overseeing not only the general maintenance and daily operations of the farm, but he also held, meron siyang supervisory authority over security personnel, manpower development, and provisions for farm equipment. So yung day-to-day operations, yung mga tao na yan na siguro kanya alam niya nag-disappear because siya ang in charge. The investors group, Atong Ang, will not descend to that level of operations. At saka absurd na sasabihin niya na nagmi-meeting daw yung mga investors, nagbo-board meeting daw, nasabi niya na dinidecide daw nila kung sinong papatayin, ilan ang papatayin, etc. etc. Incredible. Tsaka linabas lang niya nung sigurado na siya na hindi talaga siya bibigyan ng ini-extort niyang pera, saka siya nag-viral sa media when he learned that we were going to file this morning. As a matter of fact, sabi niya na, Gretchen, lumabas ka na. Gretchen herself, filed through her own lawyers a similar case of extortion. Lahat ng mga investors, linapitan niya. And to our knowledge, lahat ng investors ang nagsabing, bakit? Why will we accede to your extortion kung wala namang kaming kinalaman dyan sa disappearance, sa killings, etc., etc. So, he is lying. And if he has evidence, present it in the proper venue. Ang ginagawa niya, nadadagdagan siya ng cyber libel. In fact, yung final namin na slander, in-upgrade na ng prosecutor's office to cyber libel. At we will present additional evidence, including the updated lies, malicious imputations that he continues to give to the media.
Attorney, balikan ko lang yung sinabi nyo na dinadamay niya yung mga investors and even si Gretchen, yung actress na si Gretchen Barreto na pati po siya nanghingi po ng pera mula dito sa kay Gretchen?
Yes, this will be the subject matter, we understand. This will be the subject matter of the complaint to be filed by Gretchen through her lawyers.
So pati po siya.
Pati po siya magpa-file extortion, grave coercion, grave threats, etc. At para lahat ng minention niya na part lang ng investors group. Hindi naman part ng day-to-day operations.
Pero ang sinasabi niya rin po kanina doon sa bago niyang interview, no, at sinasabi niyo hindi nga part ng operations at siya yung in charge. Pero ang sinasabi naman niya, si Ginoong Ang pa rin po umano ang nag-uutos sa kanya dito kay alias Totoy, yung baging doon sa ilang mga pulis na iligpit nga po itong mga sabungero at habang rin niya ay wag daw pong magtago sa katotohanan itong si Mr. Ang.
Ang sagot ko dyan is present the evidence. Bakit siya kung sabi niya meron siyang listahan ng mga pulis? Why would he have a list of policemen, no? Siya siguro kasi ang nangyari dyan at na-discover ng investors group na meron siyang parallel illegal operations. Gumagawa rin siya ng pera niya. Gumagawa siya ng commission kasi in charge siya sa mga construction. In charge siya sa mga upgrade ng mga facilities. In charge siya lahat yung maintenance, yung day-to-day operations. Gumagawa siya ng commission dyan. And that is why he had enough money to run for mayor in the last elections. Pero trusted yan Trusted dati yan ni Atong Ang until it became evident to him starting February na panay-panay na lang ang tawag. And we have evidence. We have evidence on that matter. So this is a matter of evidence. If he really has the evidence, present the evidence. Because sabi ng Atong Ang is, we are here. We are here on the side of truth. We are here to support this has been a cold case for the last 3 years. Kung may ebidensya nga itong whistleblower, si Dondon, ba't siya naghintay ng 3 taon para ibunyag yung alleged masterminds? Okay. Obviously, wala na raw siyang pera. And this is recorded, no? And it is a text message where he says through this Brown, no? Itong Brown na co-accused niya o correspondent niya dito, na wala na raw siyang pera, naubos sa eleksyon, that he's willing to disappear, ready na raw sila, no? Na mag-abroad and to forget about this case. No? Hindi naman ganun kadali, no? Kung talagang inosente siya, then he stays and prove his innocence. Hindi yung flight na magtatago siya, no? Okay. That is evidence of guilt. Flight is always evidence of guilt.
Okay, maraming pong salamat sa pagtanggap sa aming tawag si Attorney Lorna Kapunan, ang abogado po ni Ginoong Atong Ang. Mga kapatid, Ruth Cabal po, para sa mabilis na pasada ng mga balitang dapat niyong malaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.